What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be doing this following definite integral. As you can see, this is one of the longest integral here, but you can pause this video and let's see if your answer is going to be the same as the one that I'm going to get at the end of this video. Before I start doing this one, I'd like to say thank you very much guys for watching, subscribing to the channel, commenting, and those who also like the videos. If really this video helps you, don't forget to like and also share this video to your friends. Alright guys, let's start. So as you can see, this definite integral here, we have the square there. Basically this squares means that we have to repeat what is inside twice there, so we have to simplify it before we integrate. So let's simplify it. So as you can see, we have the sigma here with the upper limit which is 4, the lower limit which is 1. So you have to write the root x minus 5, and then you also have to repeat it again on the next bracket. There we go. So as you can see, this root x minus 5, it's repeating itself. Just in case you didn't watch the introduction on definite integral, there is a video on the description, or it will pop up there on your right corner. So watch that video before I continue here. All right, so from here we're gonna do FOIL. So remember, the sigma and the dx, they're gonna remain there. By the way, we are integrating in terms of x. So let's start. So you're gonna do FOIL. So we're gonna say root x multiplied by root x is gonna give us x, and then we're gonna say root x multiplied by negative 5 is gonna give us negative 5 root x. Right, and then we come to this one. Negative 5 multiplied by root x is gonna give us negative 5 root x. Right, and then negative 5 multiplied by negative 5 is going to give us 25 dx. Now when you look at this, we will have the like terms. This negative 5 root x and negative 5 root x, they are like terms, so they will need to add each other. So since we are simplifying, we keep on writing the sigma with the upper limit and the lower limit there. So x is going to be x, and then negative 5 root x minus negative 5, they're gonna both give us negative 10 root x, right, plus 25 dx. Right, from there you cannot integrate with the surd. Basically you cannot integrate with the root there, so we need to change this root into exponent. So more simplification. So we continue write the sigma and the limit there. So the first term is fine, but the second term we're gonna have 10 x to the power of half, right, plus 25. So when it's like this, it's easy for us now to integrate. So remember, when you integrate, you look at the terms that we have here. Since we have 3 terms here, we can use the power rules on these 3 terms. Now just in case you forgot how the power rules does it work, so it goes like this. You'll be given sigma, then you'll have k as a coefficient, and then you have x to the power of n dx. So when you integrate this, this is gonna be k, the coefficient, then you have x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now we don't add plus c because these are definite integral, right? Just in case again you want to learn more about the power rule, there is a video that we're going to pop up here on the right corner, and also on the description. You can go and watch more about the power rule. Right, let's continue here guys. Now it's time for us to do the first one. So when you integrate, the sigma falls out, and then you have to put this in a bracket for the limit, and the dx also falls out. So we're gonna have x to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Remember, 1 is the power, minus, when you look at this one here, we have 10, which is our coefficient similar to k here, and then we're gonna have x to the power of half plus 1, and then we have to divide by the same half plus 1. Right, so the last but not least, this looks like a constant. Since it looks like a constant, you multiply this 25 with the variable, meaning with the variable that we are integrating with respect to. So we're going to multiply 25 with x to make it easier. Right, again guys, if it happens that you don't understand, if you watch the power rule video, I explained this as well. So here you're gonna write the upper limit and the lower limit. Now it's time for us to continue. Now as you continue, we have to write and factorize and simplify here, guys. Right, so we're gonna have x squared divided by 2 minus, this is gonna be 10 x to the power of 3 over 2, right, divided by 3 over 2, right. And then here as well we're gonna have plus 25x. So the first bracket here we're gonna write the upper limit, and then the second bracket is gonna be the same integral, but now we have to write the lower limit. So let's rewrite this: x squared divided by 2 minus 10 to the power of minus 10 multiplied by x to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus 25x. And then here we're gonna have the lower limit. Now on the first bracket we're gonna substitute with the upper limit, and then we subtract with the second bracket that is substituted with the lower limit. So let me just create more space here so that we can have that. Right, so let's do it. This is gonna be, so wherever there is x, we're gonna substitute with the upper limit. So in this case our upper limit is 4, so it's gonna be 4 squared divided by 2 minus 10 multiplied by 4 to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, and then plus 25 multiplied by 4. Right, then you put it in the bracket like that, and then minus. So on the second bracket we're gonna substitute wherever there is x with 1, which is the lower limit. Right, so we're gonna have 1 to the power of 2 over 2 multiply minus 10, and then 1 to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus 25 multiplied by 1. Then you put this in the bracket. As you can see guys, this is how you do it. Then from here you put this on your calculator. Be very careful when you put this on your calculator, because it's easy for you to get a wrong answer. So let's put this on the calculator and let's see what is going to be our answer. Our answer is going to be 215 divided by 6 if you want to leave it in a fraction, but if you want to leave it in a decimal, it's going to be 35,833. So guys, leave it to 3 decimal points. Right guys, so this is how you do this problem here. I hope this was not as difficult as it seems. It was long, yes, but really it was not that difficult. So guys, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section. If you manage to get this one, you can write got it, or you can write correct. If it so happen that you were stuck somewhere, you can rewatch at the point where you were stuck, and then hopefully I hope you will understand. And if this video helps you to understand, don't forget to like, and also if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. At the end of this video there will be a playlist that will pop up that shows other definite integrals that I did. Thank you very much guys for watching. Till next time, cheers.